Today, I'm going to share with you something about tornadoes. So first, let's talk about how does the tornadoes cause loss. Tornadoes cause many damage. It make many people die, make many people don't have house, and tornadoes make many people have to live in a tent. Tornadoes makes internet and Wi-Fi going to be off because tornadoes broke them and destroyed them, and tornadoes make trees and plants going to unroot. Do you know unroot? Unroot, that's the root came out. Now the second, how tornadoes form. Okay, I will teach you how tornadoes form. First, there is a thunderstorm called supercell. Supercell is very energy and it is very strong. It makes flood, rain, and sometimes thunderstorm too. And supercell is very far from the sky, 15,000 feet, and it is enough power to do the tornadoes. So first, it's going to pull all of the air from the ground to them. We call this air rushing air. Rushing air is hot air and cold air. Then, when they are powerful enough, they're going to go to right and left. That means they have some of the different direction is right and left. So then, that means they make a cyclone. But how it makes a cyclone is going to the different direction, then they're going to spin. They're going to spin very powerful, then they're going to eat this cloud to down, and then we call this mesocyclone. So when the mesocyclone is going to very big, and it's lastly the wind of them is going to very fast, the parent of thunderstorm going to put them down. So then this makes the tornado, and then they're going to destroy everything. So 3, where tornado form. Tornado always form is in the United States. We call this tornado alley. Tornado alley is an area that is always have tornadoes. Here is tornado alley. So warm air, warm dry air, and cold dry air go into this place. Then they're going to mix together. So that's make the tornado. And at here, each year have more than 1,000 tornadoes. Wow, that's very many tornadoes. And there are 2 types of tornadoes. 2 types of the tornadoes is the first tornado. We call this mesocyclonic tornadoes. Mesocyclonic tornadoes is the tornadoes that's very big, and it can be big, but they will go very slowly. They don't go far. But the non-mesocyclonic tornadoes is very fast, small, and tall. They tall, but they can go far, very far, and they can destroy all of the big buildings. They destroy much than the mesocyclonic tornadoes. But 2 tornadoes, the first tornado we can call supercell tornado, but the 2 we can call it non-supercell tornado. Hey, that is the name I ever see. So the famous tornadoes. The famous tornadoes is the tornadoes in Indiana. This tornadoes is going more than 300 miles. 300 miles means 483 kilometers. That means they go very far. They go through Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Hey, I don't think they go through 3 provinces. And it's killed 695 people. The highest number of people killed by tornado in the USA history of tornadoes. And in March 2012, a giant tornado swept through Henryville in Indiana again. Hey, I don't think they always in Indiana. But now it was huge, 150 yards, mean 138 meters. That was very big, and they travel very far, 52 82 miles, 84 kilometers. But I think the first tornado is go far from the second tornadoes. So the 6 is measuring tornadoes. The EF scale is measuring the level of the tornado. And scientist Fujita in Japan make the first EF scale, and then he going to measuring some of the tornadoes in Japan. So the EF5, EF4, EF3, EF2, and EF1 and EF0. EF0 is not that powerful. They are low, very low, and very low powerful too. But the EF9 is very fast, very big, and very powerful too. So it is very incredible. Wow. So 7 has to stay safe during the tornado. So when you are in the house, you can go to some of the room. The room that's safe is the between room. The between room is that the room is between in two rooms here. Because they don't have windows, so it's very safe. But if the near room, here the near room is here is outside, it have some of the window, and tornadoes can break the window anytime you don't know. And you don't go to this. This is the top room. The top room is very dangerous too because it makes the roof. Here's the roof going to be off. So, but sometimes usually you can go to the table in kitchen, but don't go to the kitchen. Don't always go to the kitchen with tornadoes because sometimes it will have hot water, knives, or some dangerous thing in the kitchen. Continue. Tornado sheltering guidelines. So, the rush option in the tornadoes is the mobile homes. The mobile home is a vehicles, but when the tornado is starting, you don't go to buy the mobile homes because it can make you hurt you and can kill you because sometimes the tornadoes will break them and pick them into the sky. And the best option, large open room like the gym room. The gym room has some of the heavy things to you to do exercise in gym, and it can be going to your head, and you can be go to hurt your head, or sometimes they're going to kill you too. Good option, entering room. Entering room is the room that doesn't have windows. They are very safe, and if you are in tall building, you can go to the stairs. The stair is like an interior room because it is very safe. Best option, above or below ground tornado storm shelter. So, the best option is you can go into the hall, then you will do some of like this. It will protect your hands so you don't hurt much. Continue, tornadoes and road safety. Tornado road and road safety is what you will do. If you are in this car, like you in this car, you don't have to go to right anymore, or you see them here. You have to open the door and go to this here, and you have to hide in the low place because tornado will not go to the low place. They will go to the high place. And you don't have to go to the tree because the tree can break. Sometimes you don't know. The bridge is like the tree too because if you go, they can be broken anytime you don't know. Okay, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me, do you know about tornadoes? Thank you for watching this video and now it's bye-bye.